So today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these kitten heels with some fur on top. They are gold and black heels. So I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending these out for review. So let's go ahead and check them out. So when you get your heels, they do come in a box just like this. As you can see, they are wrapped in plastic. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out. These are my first impressions of these heels. There's something extra in here. Not sure what this is. So this does come included. I wasn't sure what it was. It looks like they're bracelets. So like some little gold fun bracelets that you could wear with your heels. This one's kind of like a solid one. So this is just like a bonus that was inside of the box. And then there's this one that's like a chained one, but it has a little snake on here. So that's fun. All right, so now let's take a look at these heels. I'm gonna take them out. First impressions. These actually look like a fun heels, especially like if you're doing like a bachelorette party, you're doing a costume. The heel itself is like hard plastic. So take a look, it does have those indentations on the side right here. This is what the bottom looks like. It is a thinner heel. It's not too tall though, so that's actually nice. I did get these in a size 9, but they are available from sizes 6 all the way up to a size 10. Now, this part right here is actually really fun. As you can see, it has some fuzz right here. So these are cute for, like I mentioned, like a bachelorette party, a costume party, a pajama party, some cute little heels to wear with that outfit. But I'm going to show you what the bottoms look like. So that's what the bottoms of the heels look like. Now, this is what the inside looks like. Now I'm going to go ahead and try them on and see if they are true to size. So if you're looking for some fun furry heels, then definitely check these out. I personally think they are just a fun way to express yourself. They are good quality, and I'm going to go ahead and leave the link down below so you can go ahead and check them out, and also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.